Struck our roots deep into this land in 1984 with our passion and dedication for the wood. A dream of many years with a vision of advanced technology in wood industry is becoming a reality today with an objective to become a leading global brand. Ranked among Turkey's top 500 largest industrial enterprises, AGT is one of the world's biggest manufacturers of wooden-based panels and laminate flooring. Adopting and embracing the principle of respecting the nature, AGT acts with the sustainable environmental awareness with the Blue Angel and FSC certified products, and the biomass power plant transforming the thermal energy into electricity by combusting the waste materials produced during the manufacturing process. As an enterprise with the highest export rate in the industry and a Turkish brand right from the heart of Turkey, it has been offered to the people who are passionate about aesthetics and quality in more than 80 countries in 5 different continents. Introducing innovation to the lives in various cities of the world through its vision of a global brand. In its state-of-the-art production facilities established on an area of 440,000 square meters, AGT offers a manufacturing capacity of 1 million cubic meters of MDF and 40 million square meters of laminate flooring. AGT does not only manufacture products, but also creates value for its customers. With innovative and high-quality solutions, AGT proudly exceeds expectations of its customers, employees, and the business partners at all times. AGT Trend Center serves as the display case for the innovative and contemporary designs of AGT Vision. Driven by the innovative, AGT embodies its vision of contemporary and innovative design to its entire product portfolio. Its products make a debut to the ones appreciating innovation in the world's leading exhibitions and trade fairs. Inspired from the nature, urban life and true life experiences, AGT Parquet series introduces innovation to living spaces. AGT Design by Defne Koz, the world's first special design laminate flooring series granted with 2 awards by International Design Awards, in where the most prestigious design projects are awarded on international platform. Rising to prominence by challenging time with its superior surface properties, durable and strong texture, modern colors and designs, AGT panel series offer custom solutions to each space. Removing the limitations in design, AGT Profile series supplement each. AGT MDF, with flawless surface structure and processing properties, improves the quality perception in the industry. AGT melamine-faced MDF and panel series, giving a novel touch to decoration, introduce uniqueness to each application space. Acting within the national quality movement, AGT transforms the high-quality raw materials and products manufactured within into aesthetics by more than 1,000 employees. Always chasing the innovation, AGT closely keeps up with the changing trends and advancing technologies. AGT Mobile Application produce rapid solutions for the requirements of its customers and partners. Adding value to living spaces and life, AGT manufactures its products by predicating upon the happiness, satisfaction, and the dedication of its stakeholders. Acting with the duty and responsibility of leaving a better and cleaner world for the next generations, AGT raises awareness by being involved in the sustainability projects. AGT, with its great strength, relying upon emotional capital and as a strong Turkish brand with roots in Turkey, continues to grow together with its specialist masters and artisans, dealers and stakeholders, at the sales point considering them as a part of AGT family. We shall continue to manufacture with our dedication and passion for wood, for the ones seeking and appreciating innovation and appeal to the entire world with our shade.